This is the best peanut sauce stir-fry noodles you can cook in less than 20 minutes. It's so fresh, nutty, and has the perfect balance of savory, sweet, and spicy. As you can see, I have everything prepared already because in Asian stir-fries in general, you have to have everything ready before you start cooking, because once you start cooking, you cannot stop and everything is done very quickly. We're going to start by marinating the chicken with a bit of soy sauce. I'm making for 2 people, just bear me. So I'm using 2 thick chicken thighs and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. The soy sauce is reduced salt soy sauce because ever since we are using that one, we love it. You get a lot more flavor because you can use a lot more amount without the salt. And now we're gonna set this aside for later. Now I'm going to make the sauce for this stir fry. And we're gonna start with peanut butter, the smooth one, but you can use the crunchy one if you like also. We're also gonna add soy sauce. This is also reduced salt soy sauce. I'm gonna give this a touch of spiciness with some sambal. We have a recipe for this. This is an awesome hot sauce. And this is fish sauce. I'm also adding it for a touch of saltiness, a depth of flavor, and that umami that we all like. A bit of sugar, and then 1 garlic clove, and more or less the same size for ginger. I'm also going to add all this cilantro, fresh cilantro, and for the sour touch, lime. I'm going to add the zest and the juice of half lime. Try to find lime for this. You can swap this for a lemon, but lime will give you a more authentic taste. I'm also going to add a bit of water to help this sauce come together. For this stir fry, I'm using rice noodles, and I'm going to soak them now that I'm going to start cooking. They just need a few minutes to get a bit soft. If you're using any other type of noodle, cook them first per the packet instructions. So now I have this pan. I'm going to heat it on medium fire to brown the chicken with a bit of oil. Make sure it's in one single layer and then don't touch it so that it browns properly. So when the chicken looks beautiful golden like this, add some minced garlic. We add some onion, green peppers, and red peppers. Continue to saute this until the vegetables are a bit soft. Not too soft, they should still have a bite. So the noodles, we want to soak them until they are pliable like this. You can see that now I can bend them and they are not as hard as before. Now my vegetables are ready, so I'm going to add the noodles. Now we add the sauce that we made earlier with the peanut butter and all those delicious ingredients. Now to make the mixing easier, use 2 spatulas like this, and it's easier to mix the noodles with all the vegetables and everything. This smells amazing. And then I like to finish it off with a bit of fresh cilantro on top. I'm gonna put 1 cilantro leaf on top. Oh my, this is amazing. So delicious.